Are you tired of feeling trapped in a cycle of codependency and anxious attachment? Break free and reclaim your power with the transformative law of detachment. No more obsessing over control. It's time to embrace peace and liberation in your relationships. Discover the art of letting go and watch as your love life transforms before your eyes. Say goodbye to old patterns and hello to a healthier, more fulfilling connection. Ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and healing? Dive into the Law of Detachment Manifestation Journal and unlock the secrets to a more empowered you. It's time to rewrite your love story with confidence and clarity. Embrace the freedom that comes with detachment and watch as love flows effortlessly into your life. Say yes to a brighter future filled with authentic connections and inner harmony. The power is in your hands. Are you ready to seize it? What is the law of detachment? Release the reins and unlock the power of the law of detachment, the ultimate key to manifesting your desires in love and relationships. It's the liberating realization that we aren't puppeteers of others' actions, but rather co-creators of our own destiny. Bid farewell to the overwhelming urge to control every aspect of your romantic journey. Whether you struggle with codependency or an anxious attachment style, the law of detachment offers solace and freedom. Embrace the practice of letting go and watch as your love life blossoms effortlessly. Change is within reach, just 30 days to cultivate new habits and pave the way to emotional liberation. As you embark on this journey of self-discovery, you'll fortify your bond with love and bid adieu to attachment woes. Embrace the journey, empower yourself, and witness the transformative magic of detachment. Anxious attachment style and the law of detachment. Break free from the chains of anxious attachment and embrace the liberating power of the law of detachment. Anxious attachment, born from childhood experiences of insecurity and neglect, can cast a shadow over your relationships, triggering the relentless cycle of fight or flight responses. But fear not, for understanding is the first step to healing. Recognize that your attachment style is a product of past wounds, not a reflection of your worth. Release the compulsion to decipher every nuance of your partner's behavior and instead focus on nurturing yourself. Through detachment, you reclaim agency over your emotional well-being. Let go of the need to control others and surrender to the flow of life. This radical act of self-love fosters healing and empowers you to cultivate healthier relationships. Embrace detachment as a pathway to liberation. By viewing situations objectively and prioritizing your own needs, you pave the way for authentic connection and inner peace. Rise above the grip of anxious attachment and step into a future defined by self-empowerment and boundless love. The law of attraction and the law of detachment. The law of attraction and the law of detachment. While they may seem contradictory, these principles are actually partners in your journey towards fulfillment. The law of attraction teaches us that our thoughts shape our reality. What we focus on, we attract. But beware, obsession breeds lack. Instead, embrace the law of detachment. Release the need for control and embody the feelings of abundance and contentment. When you radiate happiness and security, you magnetize positivity into your life. By letting go of attachment to outcomes, you open yourself to boundless possibilities. It's not about chasing after someone or something, it's about embodying the essence of what you desire. So, let go of the reins and trust in the universe's abundant flow. Align your thoughts with your desires and watch as miracles unfold. Embrace the synergy of attraction and detachment, and unlock the keys to a life filled with joy, love, and limitless potential. Unlock the transformative power of the law of detachment by embarking on a journey of inner healing through shadow work. Delve into your past and heal your inner child, for it is there that the roots of your attachment style lie. Embrace the cathartic practice of shadow work, a simple yet profound journaling technique designed to illuminate the shadows of your past. Explore the depths of your childhood experiences, uncovering the origins of your fear of abandonment and insecurity in love. With each prompt, peel back the layers of your subconscious, gaining profound self-awareness along the way. As you confront and heal these hidden wounds, you pave the path towards emotional liberation and mastery of detachment. Empower yourself to release the grip of past trauma and embrace a future defined by freedom and wholeness. Begin your journey of self-discovery today and witness the magic of healing your inner child with shadow work. Elevate your life with the ultimate act of self-love, prioritizing self-care. Shift your focus inward and watch as the magic of detachment unfolds before your eyes. Indulge in activities that ignite joy and bolster your confidence. Nurture your personal growth and healing journey, for true liberation begins within. Break free from the cycle of seeking validation from others and embrace the abundance that comes from self-fulfillment. When your happiness becomes the centerpiece of your world, you effortlessly attract more of the same. Step out of your comfort zone, explore new horizons, and liberate your mind from the shackles of obsessive thoughts. It's time to reclaim your power and embrace a life filled with radiant positivity and boundless self-love. Prioritize yourself, embrace the journey, and watch as the universe responds in kind. Don't expect someone to change. Release the grip of expectation and embrace the freedom of detachment. Let go of rigid ideas about how others should behave and reclaim your joy. Obsessing over someone's behavior only adds unnecessary stress to your life. Instead, turn inward and focus on your own clarity and worth. Detach from the need for others to change and gain insight into what you truly deserve. Sometimes, people aren't capable of meeting your needs, and that's okay. It may be time to move forward, even if it feels daunting. Remember, you can't force someone to be who you want them to be. True change must come from within. By relinquishing expectations, you create space for understanding and self-discovery. Embrace this newfound freedom and pave the way for authentic connections and inner peace. How to heal an anxious attachment style. Embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery with our revolutionary self-therapy journal, How to Heal an Anxious Attachment Style. Designed to guide you through the intricate maze of your attachment style, this journal is your companion in healing. Dive deep into the shadows of your subconscious, where the roots of your anxious attachment lie. Through thought-provoking prompts and introspective exercises, you'll unravel the layers of past traumas and unearth the keys to your emotional liberation. Unlock the door to a future defined by security, confidence, and authentic connection. With each page turn, you'll gain invaluable insights into your attachment patterns and pave the way for profound healing. Say goodbye to the shackles of anxiety and fear of abandonment, and embrace a life filled with love and fulfillment. Your journey to healing begins here, with How to Heal an Anxious Attachment Style as your trusted guide. Final thoughts. Embracing the law of detachment is a journey, especially for those with codependent or anxious attachment styles. The urge to control love and relationships can feel overwhelming, triggering our fight or flight instincts. Yet, learning to let go grants us strength and clarity. By detaching, we become more objective, assessing relationships based on reality rather than expectation. Though it takes practice, integrating shadow work and self-care into our lives helps pave the path to transformation. Release the grip of expectation, and watch as your life unfolds with newfound freedom and authenticity. Through perseverance and self-awareness, you'll emerge stronger, empowered to navigate love and relationships with confidence and grace.